Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Insomnia app and clear settings, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall the Insomnia app, start by locating the Insomnia icon on your device. If you're using Windows, click on the Start menu. Next, scroll through the list of applications or type Insomnia into the search bar. Once you find the Insomnia app, right-click on the icon. Select Uninstall from the menu that appears. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation process. For macOS users, open the Finder. Navigate to the Applications folder. Locate the Insomnia app within that folder. Drag the Insomnia icon to the trash bin. Alternatively, you can right-click and select Move to Trash. To clear any remaining settings, open Finder. In the menu bar, click on Go. Hold down the Option key and select Library. In the Library folder, find any folders or files related to Insomnia and delete them. Next, return to the Library folder. Check the Preferences folder for any Insomnia-related files. Delete those files as well to ensure all settings are cleared. Finally, empty the trash to permanently remove all data associated with Insomnia. Your device should now be clear of the Insomnia app and its settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.